Hi, this is a little A-frame plan that I made for a client who's planning to remodel this house. And this is the as-built. It's, typical A-frame. Now over here on this screen on the first floor, you can see there's roof planes here and here, but the roof planes on the second floor, we'll go to the second floor. Oh, there they are. What you can do, if you want them all on the first floor, we'll just shift select those. And then in the edit toolbar, let me drag this off of here. So the edit toolbar, which is normally parked down here, there's an icon right here, display on floor above or display on floor below. I just clicked floor below, and now it disappeared off the second floor. And now all the roof planes are on the first floor. Now I'm going to shift select all of these roof planes. Hopefully, yeah, I got that one and this one and this one. And I can send the whole group up. I can't send them to the foundation, but I can send them up to the second floor in plan view. I think that's what you were asking about. See, now they're all on the second floor. It's placing these in the most advantageous place. I'm also using the roof layer set and roof annotation set, slightly altered. I would probably, if I was doing a roof plan, I would probably put these on the first floor. So I just moved them from the second floor to the first floor. And I can clearly see the outline of the roof planes and their pitch indicators and so forth. And so apparently you didn't know that, so I thought I'd point it out so you could see. Hope this helps some people. If it doesn't, well, you guys make it a great day anyway. Okay? Thank you.